Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. I really wish I could be a police officer just for that driver. This pickup driver runs a red light, and the pedestrian clearly lacks any sense of self-preservation. Why are you so confused when all you wanted to do was go straight? He saved a whole 5 seconds doing this. This mailman couldn't spare a moment to brake and reverse the car a little, right? Caught 3 idiots in just 5 seconds. Who's the biggest idiot? This Charlotte truck cuts across 2 lanes and almost crushes me. This idiot broke the gas station hose and then drove away without taking responsibility for the damage. This truck had its hazards on, and it starts moving as soon as I go to drive around it. This idiot disregards everyone's safety and turns into the opposite lane.
A few moments later.
Lucky last-minute lane changes aren't a good move.
Twenty minutes later.
An e-biker cut in front of me this morning, effectively brake checking me. I just got my car back after getting rear-ended.
A few moments later.
Is it the Taycan?
Taycan Porsche.
Yeah.
It's not. Yeah, it's kind of a sports car. It's more like a GT car though.
Whoa! Bloody hell!
These kids in an Audi jumping over the parking median before driving off on rims. This genius decides to change lanes without looking and hits my almost brand new truck. Red light runners and a conveniently placed cop. What a great combination.
A few moments later.
That's the perfect time for this idiot to initiate a passing maneuver over a double yellow line. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.